An important part of our national infrastructure are our river systems. As you probably know if you've been here before, a lot of my videos involve shipping in and out of the River Nene. The Nene still performs an important function, with both Port Sutton Bridge and the Port of Wisbech handling cargo coming in from mainly the Baltic states. The river has a strong tidal swing when it's in spring tides, quite often running tides at over 7 metres. This enables ships to get up to Wisbech quite easily. Today, as it's a common sight now, we're seeing a ship loaded with timber for the building trade coming into and discharging at Port Sutton Bridge. She has deck cargo as well as her hold full. Caith is a coaster built in 1980. She has an overall length of 80.9 metres and a width or beam of 11.6 metres with a dead weight of 1,985 tonnes. Compared even to some of the more frequent visitors to the Nene, she is quite diminutive in size and capacity, although, as I'll explain a bit later, that also counts in her favour. At this point, I'd just like to take a moment of your time to ask for a huge favour, please. I very much enjoy making these videos and I hope you enjoy watching them. If so, then please hit the like button and also please subscribe, as that then enables my channel to show in your feed and you'll be notified of all the new content. If you're not sure about my content, then just scroll by. Don't hit the unlike button, as YouTube then thinks you really hate me. Currently sailing under the flag of Panama, the Caith started out as Pandora in 1997, was renamed Vivek D, then again renamed in 2018 to Stephanie F, and finally has been known as Caith since June 2022. I'm sure she has visited Port Sutton Bridge in the past under one of her previous guises, but I think this is her first visit as Caith. As is my preference, I'm using my DJI Air 3S drone today to video the ship. This drone is just great with its twin cameras, the 24mm for normal fairly wide-angle shots, and then the 70mm medium zoom for the close-up shots without having to get too close to the subject. This drone, as is a common with a lot of them these days, has a few tricks up its sleeves to assist with getting nice cinematic footage. I'll be doing a little demo video showing some of these features in the near future, so keep an eye out on the channel for that. Classified as a general cargo or mini bulk carrier, she's one of a specialist type of vessel designed to operate on the rivers and canals crossing Europe. I'll give you some more details about her in a minute. She has been turned at the mouth of the river and is now making good progress towards the port. She's equipped well for this type of work, navigating the European waterways with a shallow draft of just around 3 metres and a very low profile achieved with features such as the folding or stepped radar and communications mast and a bridge or wheelhouse that can be hydraulically lowered, all to enable her to sail through those low bridges on the European waterways. As is the norm these days, her entry to Port Sutton Bridge is achieved going astern or in reverse. For this part of the journey, there's a Port Sutton Bridge pilot on board to supervise. As she's getting onto her berth at the port, you can see the water being moved at the stern by the propeller, with the rudder being angled, and at the bow by the bow thruster. This is enabling her to manoeuvre onto the berth without a tug being in attendance, saving both time and costs. Once berthed, the discharge can begin. Starting with the deck cargo, the stevedores get the strappings ready and attached to the crane, which then swings the timber ashore. Then begins the dance of the forklifts, which I have speeded up and set to a piece of suitable music for a bit of fun. Deck cargo discharged, the hatches are then slid back so the hold can be emptied. As always, thanks for watching. I've really enjoyed making this video. It's something just a little bit different, this type of ship, and it just goes to show what's operating all around the waters of this country and abroad. So thank you, and I'll see you again soon.